In this video, we're going to work out the diameter and radius when we're told the circumference. So in this question here, the circumference is 31.4 centimeters. So let's follow these steps. Well, first we put the formula. Well, the formula we know for circumference is C is equal to pi d. Next, we sub the values in. So what do I know? Do I know what C is? Yes, C has been given as 31.4. So I'm going to have 31.4 is equal to pi, I know what that is, and d, I don't know what that is, so we're just calling it d. Now, I need to now do step number 3, which is rearrange this. I need to get d on its own. So I need to remove the pi. Now, as it's being multiplied at the moment, that means I'm going to divide by pi to get to the other side. Okay, so if I do that and switch sides, I'm going to get d, because the two pi's will cancel, is equal to 31.4 divided by pi. So if I do that, then let's see what we get. We're going to get d is equal to be 9.9949. And then if I round that to 2 decimal places, I'm going to get d is equal to 9.99 centimeters. The question also asked me to work out the radius of this circle. Well, radius is just the diameter divided by 2. So I'm going to go back to the unrounded number 9.9949, the one you had in your calculator, and I'm going to divide that by 2. And if I do that, I get 4.99746, etc. And if I round that to do 2 decimal places, then I'm going to get 5.00, because they're the numbers I keep, and that one tells me round up, and it's centimeters.